This product was given to me for my honest review. First of all, this product comes in a very nice pack, which is awesome because it's large and it'll be easy to find in an emergency. This product pretty much includes everything you would need on a roadside emergency, and I will cover all of these one by one. First up, every kit should have a tool set, and this is a 12-piece packed in a nice case, which includes things like pliers, razor blades, screwdriver, Phillips head, measuring tape, Allen key, and even electrical tape. Next up is another essential item, which is a first aid kit, which pretty much has everything you need, the basics, which covers boo-boos up to large injuries. Next up is an air compressor. You get a brand new in the box air compressor, and you can power it up by plugging it in the 12-volt cigarette lighter port. Next thing is something that we probably all used in our lives, the jumper cables. Gotta have these on hand. Another great essential item is the zip ties, which you can use for pretty much anything, as well as a bungee cord, which we've all used before. Next up on the list is an ice/snow remover, which we'll definitely need in the wintertime and is real compact, and it comes with its own little carrying bag. This will be super helpful whenever those snowstorms and blizzards come visiting, and it's real easy to attach. You just pop it in place and now you have a brush for snow removal and an ice scraper. The next item on the list is a simple, reliable flashlight, which is battery powered by AAA battery. Next item is an emergency hammer, which you might want to keep in your glove box or center console, because in reality, you'll need this inside to cut seat belts and break windows. You also get 2 emergency blankets and a poncho to keep you nice and dry during a rainstorm, just in case you don't have an umbrella. This next item is great for flat tires, which also pairs well with this air compressor. That way you can get back to your travels. Along with a pair of gloves, and last but not least, your emergency triangle, so you can alert people that you're in the middle of an emergency situation. And I believe I pretty much combed through everything. I hope this video was helpful.